Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm painting Han. Today I'm going to be painting purple crocus flowers. I'm going to use Wedone technique, loose style on the background. For colors, bright violet, ultramarine deep, sap green, burnt sienna, and yellow. So I will test the color. First, bright violet. Take some color and put on the paper for exercise and see the colors. This one is the ultramarine deep. Next is sap green. This one is burnt sienna. This one yellow for stem one. Mix ultramarine deep and sap green. Get a dark green. I want to get a kind of olive green, so I mix ultramarine deep, sap green, and burnt sienna. For brushes, these brushes are for today's painting. Especially I will use an oil brush to take out some colors in some background to make it blurry. The tip of the oil brush is a bit hard, so it will make it blurry easily. Start by sketching. First place flowers roughly and then draw in detail one by one flowers. These petals and the stem in the center. Open flowers and draw some small tiny spade uh, flowers, and this one is the for leaf. And then far away small crocus in the background. Wetting the paper, use big wash brush. At this time, I'm leaving the main flowers and applying water to the background. I'm making the color for background, bright violet and ultramarine deep as the first layer. Top of the paper and underground, foreground area. Be careful the flower area. Next, I wanna mix color naturally. So the paper, tilt the paper back and forth and side to side. And then take out water from around the flowers. Apply the mixture of ultramarine deep and bright violet, and also mix sap green into background as the second layer. I'd like to make the background a little darker. I want to try more dark color put on the background. So I mixed again bright violet, ultramarine deep, and sap green. I use the mixture of that color. Don't apply a flower area. I'm trying to make a dark background because I'm gonna make a blurry in some spot. Put some dark bluish purple around the flowers. It will make the flowers shape surely and make the flower pop out between flower area. Next, I want to splash with bright violet here and there to make it look natural. Right? What do you think? I want to really like that this kind of effect. These colors will be mixed around merged by themselves beautifully. And I'm splashing clean water to make some place blurry. I'm still splashing with bright violet color. Next, I'm taking some water, clean water, and I'm splashing with clean water to make some place blurry. Can you see? Make some white spots in the background. Try more. Okay, it's time to create flowers. Grab a little watery bright violet, put in the flower area, and blend softly. And also, I leave some white space in the middle of the petal area. Next, add a thick bright violet, put on top of the petal area, and blend color from top to bottom of the petal. From top to bottom and down to top. And just I wanna blend naturally. Blend softly, and you can do in detail until you are satisfied. Try more and not too much. And I'd like to say one thing. When your paper is dry, you can add something with almost dry brush. And if you are drawing with a water-rich brush, definitely it will make some dirty marks. So be careful and give it a try. And you must know with hand, not just with knowledge. And now I'm grab some very dark bright violet, put on the top and draw top to bottom and bottom to top. Look at that area. I didn't wash it before I coloring, so that paper is almost dry. So be careful. At this time, you can use, if you can use a rich brush, it will be it will definitely make some dirty mark. So be careful and blend softly. Yeah, many people struggle with how to control the water from the brush and the paper. Actually, I don't like the around the stem one that made a little dirty mark. But then we're gonna try stem one with yellow, so it's okay. Next, apply very light watery bright violet, and then take some a little bit dark bright violet color, put on the flower area, and then blend softly. For this flower, I little bit opened the flower. The color put on top area and blend top to bottom and down to up. Next, for leaves, the paper already has dried, so I use wet on dry. Switch the brush from the down leaf to the top. Add green swiftly, and I mean use your brush, move quickly. And you cannot draw nice leaves if you draw slowly. So yeah, I hope you can get my meaning. Okay, I'm adding some brown color. It's kind of some bush. In the faraway flowers, make it slightly blurry. So I use very light purple color. Don't draw the flowers in detail. Just to draw them lovely. Okay. Okay, next I'm going to take out colors where I want it. So I'm using oil brush. I want to make a blurry spot here and there. Do it wherever you want it. It's like a water droplet, right? Okay, it's the effect of blurring. The focus of the background is a photograph world. We called this one is the bokeh effect. Take out some color with oil brush and use tapping the paper towel. One more thing. Yeah, I want to make a blurry on that spot here. In the foreground area, 2 or 3 more spots. Still, I'm using oil brush. I'm taking out some color from leaf area. I think it's too dark, so I tried take out some color from leaf and one more bloody spot. Let's draw stem with yellow. And lastly, I'm going to try some detail more. Make sure the shape and the center of the with dark line. And let's organize the painting to make a little more beautifully. Make a painting more natural and airy with splashing. Alright, we are all done this painting. Have done your painting satisfied? Okay, don't forget subscribe, turn on the notification with bell, and hit the like button, leave good comment. See you next time, bye. Next time, bye.